Guys, my trailer has been beat. It needs a lot of love. I sought out Texas Pride, and they built the perfect custom trailer for exactly what I need. The production building here, this is for like the larger trailers. This is where it all starts.
Life-threatening flash flooding is ongoing right now with Sally along the Florida and Alabama coast.
We are literally driving through a hurricane in order to make this trip.
Look at the flag. It's crazy.
As we arrive at Texas Pride, I'm super anxious to see the trailer that they built. But first, we're going to check out the whole process of what my trailer went through just days before.
A lot of moving parts out here.
No, it's impressive. That's an impressive break, though. That's got to be like one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. And these guys definitely work together really well. Yeah. All right, I'm starting to see it now.
It's a CNC operated plasma machines. Machines writing a program for you. It calculates the best way to lay the parts in there so you're not wasting a bunch of material.
I'm a junkie for efficiency.
As you can see, we've got a lot of raw stock everywhere.
Yeah, I do. All right, so we're making a bearing and a bushing, and we're taking a 3/4 and going to a 1 16. World War II era stuff sitting here, and you said it runs about 10, 12 hours a day. Still kicking really strong every single day. It's so cool. Definitely exceeded expectations so far. I mean, this is a very large facility. You guys make so many more trailers than I realized.
We'll head over to one of the production shops. This is the bay your trailer was built in. They probably produce about a trailer about every hour, hour and a half.
It's a very, very impressive process. I am so ridiculously excited. I have not even seen this trailer yet. Everything is led up to this. All right, guys, I can't wait to see this. Oh, dude, that is so nice. What do you think? Dude. Oh, that is nice. That is so much nicer than I ever would have expected to. That is awesome, man. You guys seriously knocked it out. That is so cool.
This is a one-of-a-kind Texas Pride build, and we are excited about it. So let's start from the front here. And as you can see, you opted to go with the Pendle hitch. We put it on a flat plate here on a 12-inch channel, and the reason we did that is this trailer will be rated for 30,000 GVWR. So this is a bumper pull 2-car hauler. It is 102 wide with drive-over fenders. This trailer was custom built. We have the perforated floor. The holes in the floor is for the soft tie system so that you're allowed to tie wheel straps down on the car anywhere on this deck.
I really like that.
We did the custom 4-foot plates for you, still stuck with the perforated floors.
Yes.
We did it in the front, the middle, the back.
There was a lot of thought put into this, and these guys took it a whole nother level for sure.
You chose the 9,000-pound axles. Those are Direct Lube axle.
Dude, that is so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. Hell yeah.
We were waiting to get to the logo now.
That is awesome.
So we did have Fasterproms put in. Hope that stands out at a lot of tracks for you.
That is cool.
And the ramps slide out the back.
Oh my Lord.
And there will be place there.
Never even had a wheel that looks that good. That is so awesome.
Yeah, the Alcor wheels are extremely nice.
That really pops right there.
This is your toolbox here.
Oh my God.
You have some wheel straps here, which I mentioned to you earlier, just in case you needed to pick something up on the way home. Not the Demon now.
Wow.
We're talking about the smart car.
Oh man.
So Jeremy, what do you think? You've taken the tour, you've seen the start to finish.
It's everything and more that honestly, like,
Good. That's what we like
it
to
really
hear.
is. So thank you so much. I mean, I honestly can't believe it. I didn't ever expect it to look this good.
That is a great compliment on the company, also to the guys that took the time and the pride of building this trailer. Each and every weld stitch, as you've seen. Sandblasting, prime paint. Everybody has a hand in this trailer.
I think he likes it.
And now comes the most fun part.